Welcome to my YouTube channel Technotech. Today I am going to present a PowerPoint presentation on behalf of my project group, and the project title is Design and Development of Pneumatic System in RJ Food Products. It is an industrial based project. Now let you know about the abstract. The food industry has traditionally lagged behind other industry in adopting new technology, and plant automation is no exception. However, rapid advances in computer technology and heightened expectations of consumers and regulatory agencies for improved food quality and safety have forced the food industry to consider automation of most manufacturing processes. Though the food industry presents many unique challenges to complete automation, the industry has been successful in putting many automatic processes into place. The next significant development will be to integrate this island of automation into an overall system of plant automation from receiving raw material to shipping finished products. New technological tools such as computer vision, expert system, computer integrated manufacturing, flexible manufacturing systems, and system engineering are beneficial. Now, coming towards the introduction, as in abstract, you have come to know that it is all about the automation. Then, what is automation? You should know it. It means delegation of human control function to technical equipments. The main aims of automations are to increase production, to reduce cost, to reduce unskilled manpower, to improve working conditions and environment, to reduce power consumptions, and to improve quality. Then why we have to do automation? What will we get after doing an automation? We will achieve more with less. Elimination of human error, cleaner technology, consistency in production, minimization of energy consumption, easy diagnosis of fault. Then what will be the effect of automation in production line? It will increase production due to reduced manual delays, improve productivity as a result of optimum efficiency of the machine. It will avoid reprocessing and improving productivity. Improve quality of product. Automation can give useful data of machines which increase the possibility of analyzing the cause of low or poor productivity. Now, coming to the problem statement, what was the actual problem in the RJ Food Products, Jalgaon? The RJ Food Product is a biscuit manufacturing company. We see the main problem in the factory while industrial visit. The main problem was the adding of sugar powder in the mixture of raw materials for biscuits. It is the manual process, as the sugar powder is kept stored in the storeroom in a bulk stock. The lumps of sugar powder get developed in the sack, due to which the labor interaction increases to make the powder again from the lumps. एक्चुअली में यहाँ क्या हो रहा था, ये जो शुगर पाउडर है ये मेन कंपोनेंट्स था जो ये स्टोर करके रख रहे थे स्टोर रूम में, जिसकी वजह से जो शुगर पाउडर की सैक थी उसमें लम्प्स फॉर्मेशन हो रहे थे. लम्प्स यानी वो जमा हो जा रही थी, शुगर पाउडर सॉलिड फॉर्म में आ जा रही थी. तो इसको अगेन पाउडर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए जो है लेबर का इंटरेक्शन इंक्रीज जो है वो ज़्यादा हो रहा था, which consume a lot of time to convert the lumps into the powder and carry it to the creamer, where mixing process is carried out, it may be onerous and troublesome to workers of company to leave the sugar powder bags and pour it into the hopper. Now actually what was happening there, I would like to show you adding of sugar powder manually. Here on the screen the mouse cursor is, this is the screw, this is the conveyor which carry a sugar bag. Here is a tilter which lifts the bag, due to which the sugar is poured into the hopper. The screw conveyor carry the sugar to the grinder. These are the grinder where the sugar get grinded and it is converted into fine powder. Then after this powder, sugar powder, is collected into this sack, and this sack have to be weighted up to 30 kg. तो जो ये सैक है जिसमें शुगर पाउडर हम स्टोर कर रहे हैं, इसको हर बार वेट करने के लिए लेबर यूज़ हो रहा था, यहाँ पे लेबर का इंटरेक्शन आ रहा था और ये बैग स्टोर करना पड़ रही थी. तो ये बैग जो है 1 घंटे में 60 बैग लग रही थी. कितनी बैग? 60 बैग. और एक बैग में जो है 30 kg शुगर स्टोर की जानी. मीन्स 8 घंटे की जो है अपनी एक शिफ्ट होती है कंपनी में, तो 1 घंटे में 60 बैग लग रही है. इसलिए 8 × 60 हमको कितनी बैग लगेंगी 8 घंटे में, तो वो 480 बैग्स, 480 बैग लग रही थी. तो 480 बैग इंटू ईच बैग का वेट कितना है 30 kg. तो आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग दिस ऑल वी आर गेटिंग दैट 14,400 kg of sugar is needed, sugar powder is needed in 8 hours. After calculation we get this amount. Then coming to the creamer where this sugar powder is to be added. This is a creamer where all the raw material get mixed and a daffel is formed. Here this process take time of approximately 9 minutes, and where the 7 in this process 7 minutes is a dry process, dry mixing take place, and 2 minutes is a wet creaming process. This was our first suggestions which we have given to a company, but the company had not accepted it as there were some drawbacks of a screw conveyor. Then we have given the second suggestion that is finalized by the company, that is the proposed solution. It is a pneumatic system layout to carry the sugar powder to the creamer. Here you can see that this line is a ground floor, this line is a first floor, and this is a second floor. Now I will explain it. Here you can see a pneumatic pump or a blower. This is a underground hopper. This pump, this pneumatic blower blow off the air, due to which the sugar particles is carried through the pipe to the grinder, where the grinding of sugar take place and it is converted into fine powder. Then again it is stored into the another hopper. This is a 2D design, you will see more clearly here. Then it is collected into another hopper. Here also a blower is attached. This blower blow off the sugar powder through the pipe to a silo. This is a silo, grinded sugar powder silo, where this sugar powder gets stored. And after getting a maximum amount of sugar powder stored in a silo, here is a load cell which weight the quantity, the amount of sugar powder here. As it reaches to the maximum amount, then the valves give open and this sugar powder is carried to the creamer. You can more clearly you can get it more clearly in the 3D. Here you can see it. This is a conveyor, this is a hopper, this is a blower, these two are grinder, this again is there is a hopper, and this is a blower. Here is a pneumatic valve, this is a silo, here is a load cell which weight the sugar powder. As the weight reaches approximately to 90 kg, then this valve get open and this sugar powder is carried to the creamer. You can get more clear in the video. I am going to show you it. Here you can see it. These two particles are considered as sugar particles. Here they get grinded, powder is formed, then this powder is blow off through the pipe to the silo. Here load cell weight this sugar powder quantity and then it is carried to the creamer. This is a working 3D model design of a pneumatic system to carry the sugar powder to the creamer. Now the principle, on which principle actually this system works. This system work on pneumatic principle. Here we using air. Pneumatic valves control the part of the compressed air. The direction of flow is indicated by an arrow. Actuation can take place manually, mechanically, pneumatically or electrically. Automated system generally use solenoidal actuated valve that form the interface between pneumatic and electrical control. All the valves, pneumatic valves, blower, load cell are going to be handled by the PLC, that is programmable logic controller. Then the component details, which components we have used here. This crystal sugar handling system, we have used back tilter, pneumatic pump, transfer line and bends, twin lobe blower, transfer line for air, waste to increase capacity, SMP and broken biscuit feeding system में weaving hopper, reverse jet dust and so on. Why we need this system, pneumatic system there as an automation, as this is the need of the day for today. Automation is a need for today's competitive market where quality, cost, food hygiene and availability is playing major role. Through automation only we can achieve these parameters and compete in the market. These are the references which we have used for designing purpose. Thank you for helping me out in completing my project work directly or indirectly. Thank you.